Polygon Matic is now seeing a bit of a breakdown move after an aggressive bounce yesterday, breaking above significant key areas of resistances in a move that gave us a high above the 0.54. And at the time of this recording, Polygon Matic is holding above support above the 0.5169. And on today's video, I will be discussing the pullback target areas and give you significant key areas of supports that you need to continue holding, and starting the video by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening since the 5th of August when we saw a massive breakdown move giving us a low below the 0.3360. We saw a very nice bounce to the upside where we first picked in this Elliot wave count 1. Then we saw a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of this Elliot wave count 2 into the minimum target area highlighted on the charts using this red target area, an area that we almost fully maximized. Then we started a very nice reaction to this target area in a move that gave us an aggressive bounce to the upside yesterday, breaking through resistances and the minimum target areas for that Elliot wave count 3 to the upside we are given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that gave me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.52, and that is a target area that we fully maximized yesterday, giving us a high above the 0.54. And there are high chances that we now have a high in place in the formation of this Elliot wave count 3, and in the next coming hours a pullback is imminent in the formation of this Elliot wave count 4. And if that is the case, then using the Fibonacci's we need to identify the minimum pullback target areas for the fourth wave by connecting the fibs from the low of the second wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 3, giving me a minimum pullback target area into the area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, and that perfectly lies between the 0.4818 and the 0.4637, which is the area that I have highlighted here on the charts. So there are high chances that in the next coming hours, in case Matic continues to see this breakdown move and maybe at some point we lose support at the 0.5184, we are going to see a quick pullback into this blue target area over here, get a low in place in this Elliot wave count 4. Then from this blue target area we should see a reversal to the upside, break above resistances and continue gearing up even higher in what I will be terming as an impulsive Elliot wave count 5. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the charts. And we also need to remember that there are chances that Matic can continue holding above the support area above the 0.5184 and give us another reversal to the upside, break above the high that we made yesterday above the $0.54. And if that is the case, then there are chances that we can easily see one more new high in this Elliot wave count 3 before we can see that pullback in an Elliot wave count 4. And if that is the case, then using the Fibonacci's once more, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1 and dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, we can get an area that we can pay attention to in case of such a bounce, and that is the fib level 2.618, which perfectly lies above the $0.6. And if we get a bounce breaking above this high in this Elliot wave count 3, then the $0.6 will be my next target area. But for now, I'm very positive that we have a high in place in this Elliot wave count 3 and a pullback is imminent, having my target area highlighted here on the charts as the area that we need to fully maximize before we can bounce back in this Elliot wave count 5. So that is all I'm expecting on the Matic chart for the next coming hours, and I believe that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you on the next one.